Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you several common methods to move files or folders to your Windows 10 or 11 computers. Whether you're organizing your desktop, managing documents, or simply cleaning up your files, these techniques will help you do it quickly. So let's jump right in. So one of the simplest ways to move a file or a folder is by dragging and dropping it. For example, if you have a file on your desktop that you want to move to your documents, download folder, or any folder, what you have to do is just simply open the folder first where you want to move the file or document. Then just simply click and hold the file, drag it to the desired folder, and release the mouse button. When you do this, you will see a little text box. That way you will be able to move your file. Now, if I transfer this file again to the same folder, you will see a little text box indicating that the file will be moved to a new location if there is already a file with the same name. In the destination, you will have options to replace it, skip it, or compare details. It is totally up to you whichever option you want. Let's say, for example, if you want to compare both files, you can just choose that option and choose one of the files that you want. Or you can directly skip the transfer and nothing will be copied. But if you replace the file from the desktop will be moved and the file that was inside the folder will be replaced with the new one. Another method is to use the right-click context menu. So right-click on the file or folder you want to move, then just simply select Cut, which will be this option right over here. Now navigate to the destination folder where you want to paste the file. In the blank folder, just simply right-click on an empty space and choose Paste, which is going to be this option right over here. This will remove the file from the original location and place it in the new one. In Windows 11, you will have these options as you can see, but if you are in Windows 10 or older, you will see a different type of option where you can see the cut option, the copy option, and if you have anything copied, you will also be able to see the paste option. You can also move files using keyboard shortcuts. To move a file, first select the file itself, then press CTRL+X to cut it. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use an on-screen keyboard. To cut the file, all you have to do is press CTRL, then X. Before that, make sure to select the file. Then go to your desired file location where you want to paste it, which is right over here. Then just simply click CTRL+V to paste the file in the blank location. So as you can see, the file is now moved to the new location. Similarly, if you want to create a copy of the file instead of moving it, first highlight the file, then click Ctrl+C, enter the folder, click on a blank space, and press Ctrl+V. That will create a copy of that file. This is also a quick and effective way to manage your files. So that's it. Those are some of the most common ways to move files and folders on your Windows 11 computer. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.